Today we discussed vast diversity and salient features, from non-chordates to chordates. Objective 1. The animal kingdom. One of the most fascinating and diverse parts of biology. 2. The objective of today's lesson is to understand the immense diversity among animals, their distinct features, and how they are classified into two main groups, non-chordates and chordates. 3. The animal kingdom includes millions of species, from simple sponges in the oceans to complex mammals like humans. Each group represents a unique stage in the evolution of life on Earth. Non-chordates, the invertebrates. Non-chordates are animals that do not have a notochord or backbone. They make up the majority of animal species and show a gradual increase in body organization and complexity. Let's look at their major groups. Porifera, sponges, the simplest animals with pores on their body for water circulation. Example, cycon. Cnidaria, hydra, jellyfish. They have stinging cells used for protection and capturing food. Platyhelminthes, flatworms. They are flat-bodied and the first to show bilateral symmetry. Example, planaria. Nematoda, roundworms. They have a complete digestive system and can be parasitic. Example, Ascaris. Annelida, earthworm, leech. Segmented worms with well-developed organs. Arthropoda, insects, crabs, spiders. The largest animal phylum having jointed legs and a hard exoskeleton. Mollusca, snails, octopus. Soft-bodied animals often with protective shells. Echinodermata, starfish, sea urchin. Marine animals with radial symmetry and a water vascular system for movement. Each of these groups represents a step toward more complex body organization and specialization. Chordates, the vertebrates and their relatives. Chordates are animals that have a notochord, dorsal nerve cord and phalangeal gill slits at some stage in their life. Most chordates have a vertebral column, backbone, making them vertebrates. Chordates include Pisces, fishes, aquatic animals with fins and gills for breathing, amphibia, frogs, live both in water and on land, reptilia, snakes, lizards, cold-blooded animals with scales, aves, birds, warm-blooded animals with feathers and wings for flight, mammalia, humans, cows, whales, warm-blooded, have hair and feed their young with milk. As we move from fishes to mammals, we see higher levels of body complexity, adaptation and intelligence, showing the evolutionary progress of life. Today's topic summary. 1. The animal kingdom shows enormous diversity, ranging from simple invertebrates to complex vertebrates. 2. Non-chordates lack a notochord or backbone and include groups like sponges, insects and mollusks. 3. Chordates have a notochord and include fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. 4. As we move from non-chordates to chordates, animals show greater body organization, specialization and adaptation. 5. This diversity reflects the evolutionary journey of animals from simple to complex life forms, shaping the living world we see today.